Printing labels shouldn't be difficult. It shouldn't take 4 wasted labels to finally get what you need. And now, it no longer does. The BradyPrinter i3300 industrial label printer makes label creation brilliantly fast and waste-free. Brady's most innovative label materials are at the ready to help you secure your products and enhance the safety of your workplace, with more than 800 stock parts across 70 material options. Ready for the next label job? Change your ribbon and material in just 20 seconds and let the Smart Chip technology take care of the rest. 0 calibration steps means 0 wasted material and 0 wasted time, so you get the right label right away. Whether you're cranking out a sequence print of wire sleeves for your panel, creating rating plates for a product build, keeping track of samples with our Freezer Bonds lab materials, or making sure your workplace is safe, secure, and compliant, the BradyPrinter i3300 has you covered. Use the color touchscreen to quickly confirm your settings, diagnose an error message, or check on the status of your supplies. The built-in auto cutter makes quick work of even the toughest materials. Leverage the full power of Brady Workstation software for even greater efficiencies. A few quick clicks and label templates are auto-loaded to match your material. No waste, less hassle, more labels. Brady innovation and the BradyPrinter i3300 means you work smarter, not harder. It's your ideal printing solution.